Hi friend, welcome my YouTube channel. My name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Today I am taking about top 4 new best smart lock 2020 in 2020. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Any inquiries of this video, please comment me. Let's start the video. Meet QAWACHH Smart Sensor Electronic Fingerprint Steel Lock. Price 2,299 Indian rupees. QAWACHH brand smart sensor fingerprint lock. Very convenient. Widely used for doors, cabinets, bikes, backpacks, storage lockers, etc. Made of premium material. High hardness with good durability.With USB cable. 1. Smart fingerprint padlock. 2. Diversification of use scenes, bag, suitcase, door, cabinet, container truck, bicycles, etc. 3. Support a total of 10 fingerprints. Meet igloohome Smart Lock Pro, 3rd generation. Price 32,999 Indian rupees. Control your door and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your phone. Send guest temporary keys from anywhere instantly from the igloohome app. Automatically locks your door behind you. Certified Z-Wave Plus home product, the leading wireless technology for security and home control products. Attaches to your existing deadbolt and installs in about 10 minutes. Control your door and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your phone. Send guest temporary keys from anywhere instantly from the igloohome app. Automatically locks your door behind you. Certified Z-Wave Plus home product, the leading wireless technology for security and home control products. Attaches to your existing deadbolt and installs in about 10 minutes. Meet igloohome Smart Mortise Installation and Pairing. Price 7,999 Indian rupees. Smart security for your home. Door 1 is made to be contemporary yet timeless, refined yet subdued, so they pair well with any door, anywhere. It is backed with robust electronics, amplified security, and user-friendly installation to replace dead locks with our Door 1, without having to do costly modifications. Door 1 has 3-way access options with 8 months of battery life running on 4A batteries. If the battery is empty, quickly jumpstart using a USB cable connected to a power source. 3-way access. Unlock your Door 1 in 3 ways, such as using keypad function that lets you unlock via passcode, through your smartphone via Bluetooth, or through the traditional physical key. OTP for guests. No more keys. Enjoy sharing your personal space with your loved ones, especially when you're away and need your home to be looked after. Know who comes in and goes via access logs in Open My Home app. Review who has entered through your main door and left, 24/7. Masking security code. Your passcode will always be confidential. Throw off onlookers by entering decoy digits before or after the actual passcode. Super long battery life. 8 months of battery life running on 4A batteries. If the battery is empty, quickly jumpstart using a USB cable connected to a power source. Emergency keys. Unlock in multiple ways so you have choices for comfort. We also give you emergency keys to add an extra layer of protection. Aaron Wi-Fi Smart Padlock. 50 fingerprints theft alert. Remote access, Unlocked from anywhere, price Indian rupee 7,499.00. World's first Wi-Fi enabled smart padlock, best for home, office and industrial purposes. Add up to 50 fingerprints, biometric. iPhone and Android app available. Water and dust resistance. Give remote access to friends and family from anywhere, anytime. Go to menu, click on settings, click Wi-Fi router settings. Enter the username and password of your Wi-Fi/router node. Once done, you can turn off the hotspot and connect the device to your home/office Wi-Fi. Important: Wi-Fi range may not be as effective as other devices due to steel body. Please keep the lock closer to the router. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Meet you next video.